Hi, welcome back. If you're new to Wing Chun, forget learning hundreds of techniques. Master just 2 moves and everything else becomes easier. Most beginners feel lost. Too many movements, too much information. Wing Chun was never meant to be complicated. Today I'll show you 2 fundamental Wing Chun moves that change your balance, structure and confidence from day one. I'm Austin Goh. I train Wing Chun for over 50 years from the Yip Man lineage. I've taught beginners, professionals and seniors across many countries. What I'm sharing today is exactly how I start every new student. Wing Chun isn't about knowing more techniques, it's about doing basic correctly. I share 2 Wing Chun moves every beginner must master. These movements improve your structure, balance and control, and they form the foundation of all Wing Chun techniques. This is not about speed or power, it's about correct movement, relaxation and understanding. Before you trust your change punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your change punch fail you? The links pinned below. It's perfect for Wing Chun beginners, older students, anyone returning to training, martial artists who want better basics. What you want to learn is to get your structure correctly. So the Wing Chun basic stance, the Yi Ji Kim Yong Ma, 1 and 2. Making sure your stance from left to right, same level as your shoulder. That's number 1. Do not bend forward or backward. Stay straight, head up, look in the front. Both arms shouldn't be down here or down here. It should be up on your chest level where your nipples are. This way, and then bend slightly. This will help you to maintain your balance. In order to practice this, you just have to do it 5 minutes a day. And while you're standing in this position, just breathe into your nose and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. What happens when you do your breathing, help you to focus more, and then you can forget about all this movement. When you do your breathing, it will help you to focus more. And breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Once you practice this, after 2 weeks, you find that your structure will be stronger and your foundation will be much improved. The next movement you need to do is to practice your Tan Sao in the center line, so that everything you know is in the center line. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Before you trust your change punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your change punch fail you? The links pinned below. 2, 3, 4, 5. So how do you know it's a center line? Your middle finger, all right, same level as your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then down. So practice this, the structure and your center line movement for 2 weeks, and you will find that your structure and your center line will improve. That is your foundation of Wing Chun. Wing Chun isn't about knowing techniques, it's about doing the basic correctly. Master these 2 moves and your Wing Chun will improve faster than you expect. Train slow, train relaxed, train honestly. Before you move on, take a moment to test your own Wing Chun. I have made a free 2-minute test. Will your change punch fail you? Record 1 round, score yourself, and I will show you the drills to strengthen what's missing. The links in the description.